Hey bookworms, and welcome to
Storyland.
Did you know that November is Native American Heritage Month? Well, we want to honor our Native American family by reading Fry Bread, a Native American family story. And this is written by Kevin Noble Maillard and illustrated by Juana Martinez-Neal. Have you ever had fry bread? I know you have. Who makes the best fry bread?
Suma.
Our Suma makes the best fry bread, right? Well, this book is dedicated to our Suma and all of our Navajo family, Auntie Nicole, Auntie Chantel, Zane, Ayana, Aunt Cheryl, Grandma Cuckoo, and our new cousin Addison, right? So enjoy fry bread and make sure that you stick around because at the end of this video, we're gonna have Suma's special fry bread recipe to share with you.
Fry Bread.
A Native American family story written by Kevin Noble Maillard and illustrated by Juana Martinez-Neal.
Fry bread is food.
Flour, salt, water, cornmeal, baking powder, perhaps milk, maybe sugar, all mixed together in a big bowl.
Fry bread is shape.
Hands mold the dough, flat like a pancake, round like a ball, or puffy like Nana's softest pillow.
Fry bread is sound.
The skillet clangs on the stove, the fire blazes from below. Drop the dough in the skillet, the bubbles sizzle and pop.
Fry bread is color.
Golden brown, tan or yellow, deep like coffee, sienna or earth, light like snow and cream, warm like rays of sun.
Fry bread is flavor.
See beans or soup, smell tacos, cheese and vegetables, delight in honey and jam, rise to discover what brings us together.
Fry bread is time.
On weekdays and holidays, supper or dinner, powwows and festivals, moments together with family and friends.
Fry bread is art.
Sculpture, landscape, portrait, our daily craft, shared from teacher to student, a cycle of heritage and fortune.
Fry bread is history.
The long walk, the stolen land, strangers in our own world. With unknown food, we made new recipes from what we had.
Fry bread is place.
Alaska, Kansas, all the way to Maine, down to Delaware, on to Georgia, over to Oklahoma, Colorado, and California. I'm going to add in Arizona, right? Cities and lands we all call home.
Fry bread is nation.
Abenaki, Apache, Arapaho, Ojibwe, Onondaga, Oglaglasu, Narragansett, Navajo, Nipmuc, Seminole, Shoshone, Sac and Fox, hundreds and hundreds of tribes.
Fry bread is everything.
Round, flat, large, small, north, south, east, west, brown, yellow, black, white, familiar and foreign, old and new, we come together.
Fry bread is us.
We are still here, elder and young, friend and neighbor. We strengthen each other to learn, change, and survive.
Fry bread is you.
And here's the author Kevin's fry bread recipe. And stick around because at the very end, we're going to share our Suma's fry bread recipe with you.
Now I'm hungry for some fry bread. This story really filled up my soul like a good fry bread fills up my belly. I love how the author incorporated so many wonderful Native American family traditions and just honored the culture and heritage. And now we want to share our Suma's fry bread recipe with you. So thank you, Suma, for sharing your secret recipe, and we hope that you all will make some fry bread and love it. Bye, bookworms!
Suma's fry bread recipe.
So our Suma is our grandma, and she gave us this recipe that she'd love to share with you. 3 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 4 cups of hot water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix it together. You may have to add more water or flour depending how sticky it gets. Continue mixing until the dough is soft. Let's sit for 30 minutes. Make sure the dough is soft. Flour your counter and roll it out. Then you take your little pieces and deep fry them, and there you have your fry bread. Enjoy. Hey bookworm parents, if you'd like to get a copy of this book or pick up one of our super cool reading teas, click on the links below.
Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe.